How to boost your YouTube videos. With the help of YouTube Shorts, a comparatively recent addition, producers may now produce short movies up to 60 seconds in length. Create your information short and engaging. As shorts are designed to be brief films, keep your content brief and simple. Ensure that your film is 60 seconds or less in length and goes right to the point. Use the eye-catching visuals. To make your shorts stand out from the competition, use eye-catching graphics, vivid colors, and text overlays. Visuals can help draw in and hold the viewer's interest. Use popular and current music. Employ this music to give your shorts a little spice. Videos that feature the newest hits and trends are frequently watched with enjoyment. Use hashtags. To boost the visibility of your shorts, use relevant and well-liked hashtags. This can make your videos more visible in search results and make your material more accessible to new audiences. Advertise your shorts. To raise awareness and interaction, promote your shorts on your other social media platforms. Your YouTube channel's views and subscribers may rise as a result. Connect with your subscribers. Interact with your audience by leaving comments and requesting their channel subscriptions. Building a strong community helps boost participation and overall development. By putting these suggestions into practice, you may improve your channel's visibility and engagement on YouTube Shorts, which will ultimately result in more views and subscribers.